Hello, I'm Cheryn. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Boost. This one. Okay, first you have to swipe up. Okay, this is your Boost. Swipe up. Okay, and it is on when the light is on. Okay, then you shake the serum. Pump 3 pumps on this head. Make sure you have enough serum. If you don't have enough serum, it won't work. Okay, so you spread all the serum on your face first. After that, you swipe up again, and then you do first. Normally I will do at the eye area here, and then do it slowly. Okay, and up. Okay. Try to move upwards because we want firming. One side you do for 1 minute. Okay. Don't do it too fast. Just slowly. Okay, you won't feel any hard or anything. No. It's just normal, and when this machine is operated, you can hear the sound. Can you hear that? That means it is working. Okay, 1 minute. So it will still at the standby mode, waiting you to put another 3 pumps to do another side. So you just pump 3 pumps again and spread over your face again. Okay, then you swipe up again, and then you do. Okay, just a little bit reminder for you, when you pump and then you spread the face, right? You gotta be fast. Don't wait until the serum is dry and then you need to pump another serum again, because the machine can't detect the serum. Okay, you must have serum, then only machine will work. Okay, only this machine will work. Okay, then you go for another 1 minute. Okay, done. Okay, if you didn't do anything, it will shut down itself automatically. Okay, so once you're done, you can swipe down and then it closes. Okay, actually it already closed. So you just this is not waterproof, so you wash on the head only. So this is the tab, so you just wash on this head and then dry it out. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share my video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and click the bell button so that you won't miss the next video. Okay, see ya, bye.